Hi, it's Maria, and today's video will focus on taking your arms back in a Cobra pose so that you can activate the arms and also create a pulling action, which we don't really pull in yoga, but it's really good for your body to move in different ways. So I'll be showing you here the arm position we'll be taking. You want your hands out about shoulder distance, maybe a little wider if it feels good, and you want to bring your hands by your rib cage and then you'll be bringing the hands out to the sides like a W. So you're hugging in towards the rib cage and then out like a W with the arms pulling back. All right, so that is the basic movements, just pulling the arm back in that W shape, and I'll show you from the back so you can see my shoulder blades. As I bring the hands out and back, I'm bringing the shoulder blades in, pulling back, and then expanding through the shoulder blades. Pulling back in that W shape, and then bringing the hands back. So let's come to lay on the belly. Bring the hands somewhere alongside your rib cage that feels comfortable for you, further back or further forward. Draw the shoulders back so your shoulders and elbows are lining up a little bit more. And that means that your forehead may not be on the floor, and that's perfectly fine. Lift up into your baby cobra, not lifting too high, and lift the hands off the ground. Take the hands out wide like I showed you before, and then lower back down. Press down and lift up into that baby cobra. As you lift, let the hands lift off the ground. Take the elbows towards each other as you separate the hands, pulling back. Lower back down to the floor. Press down, inhale. Exhale, lift. Inhale, let the hands rise off the floor. And as you let the hands rise off the floor, then you pull back, taking the shoulders back. And make sure that you're not looking all the way up. You want to keep the back of the neck nice and long here. And then hug in, elbows towards each other as you pull back and separate the hands wider. And then lower back down. So you want to do that several times. Once again, the back of the neck stays nice and long here. You're not sending your head up. Just keep gazing down and pull back as you lift the hands and lower back down. So I do that about 5-6 times during a practice. Pulling up, lifting into Cobra, lifting the hands, elbows towards each other, and hug in. So you're bringing the shoulder blades towards each other. And then take a moment to rest and see how that feels for your body. So it's a different action than a regular Cobra pose. It's just to pull the arms back and get the arms to move in a little different way than you normally would in a yoga practice. It's a little more functional for your body. And that is it. If you like the video, please feel free to share, comment, and like. And I will see you next time with a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching.